Are you looking for the best robot vacuums for hardwood floors? In this video we will look at some of the best robot vacuums for hardwood floors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. eufy Robot Vacuum. The eufy by Anker Boost IQ RoboVac robot vacuum is notably narrow thanks to an engineering upgrade. That's how it cleans some of the most cramped parts of living spaces. It has superior suction strength at an impressive 1300 pascals. 2. This robot vacuum can clean hardwood floors for as long as 100 full minutes without any pausing. Its infrared sensor can do a lot for users who wish to stay away from random items. It has drop sensing technology that can do a lot for people who want to stay away from hazardous falls. Boost IQ is a technology that instantly boosts suction strength in a span of just 1.5 seconds total. This is a silent robot vacuum that is just as serene as a standard microwave oven in a kitchen. It has a glass top cover that is tempered and that offers defense against unsightly scraping. At number 2, ELIFE V3S Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The ELIFE V3S Pro Self-Charging Robot Vacuum Cleaner utilizes technology that can keep dog and cat hair knotting away. It concentrates on retrieving dog hair, cat hair, debris and dust that lingers on top of floors that have harder surfaces. Using this product is simple thanks to its remote control. The robot features an automatic clean button that users can tap once as well. Upkeep is simple for people who own this product. People can clear out their filters and dustbins once they're done with cleaning sessions. Monthly filter replacement works well. This device has a low-profile arrangement that can do a lot for cleaning spaces below furniture items of all varieties. This product isn't only optimal for hardwood flooring but also for stone, laminate and tile options. Smart sensors keep destructive bumps and falls away for any and all users. At number 3, Rubberrock Robot Vacuum. The Rubberrock Robot Vacuum and Mop for hard floors offers 2000 pascals of unrivaled suction. It extracts flooring debris with confidence. It can clean floors without any breaks for as long as 200 full minutes. It features a spacious dustbin that can do a lot for people who have sizable residential properties. That's because they can in many cases clean them meticulously in single sessions. This vacuum and map powerhouse dazzles users with 13 varieties of sensors that can help users dodge all of the hassles of exasperating collisions. This vacuum has the ability to clean rapidly without any frustrating bumping action. The included mop and vacuum operate harmoniously to make hardwood floors literally shine. The mop consistently takes in water and does not contribute to the presence of irritating pooling. At number 4, Ecovacs DeBot 1079S. The Ecovacs DeBot 1079S robotic vacuum cleaner can work in conjunction with Google Assistant and Alexa. It accommodates voice commands and can be fitting for those who appreciate status notifications, scheduling and much more. It has a lengthy battery life that's conducive to extensive home cleaning work. This isn't just an economical device that's terrific for floors that have hard surfaces. That's because it works equally well on carpeting. Cleaning the little spaces right below furniture pieces is simple for people who own this robot vacuum. It's a silent offering. This budget-friendly vacuum comes with a primary brush and pair of side brushes. This powerful vacuum can manage messes with ease. Users can multiply suction strength anytime they have to deal with messes that are especially severe. This robot vacuum can function for as long as 110 minutes in total. At number 5, Neato D6 Robot Vacuum. The Neato Robotics D6 connected laser-guided robot vacuum has a design that's redolent of the letter D. Since robots that are circular are unable to get into nooks and crannies, this can be a huge help. Nooks and crannies tend to round up the highest amounts of nasty muck, After all, D6 technology can do a lot for folks who wish to avoid the consequences of neglecting to clean certain sections of their residences. It cleans using lines that are fully straight. Its cleaning approach is never unpredictable. This is a vacuum cleaner that can come in handy for people who reside in structures that have numerous levels. People can pick between an array of modes such as Turbo and Eco. Turbo is a mode that's especially tough. It has a HEPA performance filter that can take charge of the bulk of pesky dust mites.